Wow, Joseph. Can you go? Chris, it's quite hard to switch it on, sweetie. Daddy can do it. Oh, yes, I know. So you're your very own mini pig. Oh, good boy. You snorting like the piggy. Oh, super.